Hey guys, I got another new box for you. Hey guys, I got the new box here, and this box is called Thrift-a-Bag. It is on Cratejoy. I have my iPad here so that I can tell you exactly what it is. This box is $45 a month, and it contains pre-owned, authentic, name brand thrift handbags. Yes, handbags, yes. She ships only within the United States, and I have been anxiously awaiting this box because I am a purse just connoisseur. I love my purses. I have many purses. I'm not saying that I use them all, but I do have a lot of purses. So, okay. This says that your monthly box will arrive at your door containing 3 authentic pre-owned bags. Each piece is specifically handpicked from local thrift stores. Your box will include a variety of styles such as purses, totes, wallets, wristlets, and baguettes. The theme will range from vintage to modern pieces. Name brand handbags such as, sorry, it's just getting me. This cold is getting me today. Such as Coach, Dana Buckman, Kate Spade, Nine West, Michael Kors, Dooney and Bourke, Guess, DKNY, Vera Bradley, Liz Claiborne, and Betsey Johnson. She is brand new to Cratejoy, but however, she is not brand new to the handbag sites. She is she sells on eBay, and she has 100% power ranking on eBay. And I don't know if any of you know anything about eBay, but that's really, really good. So, what else did she tell me? I have it right here. Okay. It's my brain at work. So she says a little about the bags. All pre-owned handbags are cleaned before being shipped. The retail cost value ranged from $75 to $150. And she's been selling thrift handbags for over 3 years on eBay, and she has a 100% power seller rating. She said it started as a hobby because of her love for designer handbags at thrift store prices. And if you, my subscribers, decide that you want to give Thrift-a-Bag a shot, which I highly suggest, you can, at checkout on Cratejoy, you add just Simply Holly, no underscore, just Simply Holly, so that she knows that I sent you. And right now, I believe you can get, I think it is, I'm not going to say it because I need to check it out. Because I know, I think there may be a code on Cratejoy. We'll have to check that out. But let's open this box, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see what she has sent me. I have been so anxious to get this box. Oh my goodness gracious. I cannot even. I think I need a pair of scissors that I am not going to find. Sorry, I left you guys. I'm so sorry. We're going to get into this box one way or another. That's a song too. Haha. One way or another, I'm gonna find you. I love this box. It is so pretty. The wild colors. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It says, thank you for subscribing to Thrift-a-Bag. Now she sent me this box so that I may review it and share it with you guys. This box includes, oh, it's telling me what's in here. I don't want to see that yet. Okay, we have our bubble wrap. Oh, that is so cute. gonna set that over there. Something in here. It's a little bag. Isn't that cute? It is just a gift bag. That's so cute. I love that. Could almost put that in a frame. Oh my goodness, I love that. That is very cute. And then there is our stuff in there. This looks like a little handbag. Let's see what this is. Maybe it's a wallet. Oh, I love bubble wrap. I just love it. There. If my grandkids were here, I would have to fight with them over the bubble wrap. Because they think that they're the boss or something. Okay. Oh, it's a little cute wallet. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Very well packaged. This is very nice. That's so cute. It's just a little coach thing. And you can open it. And inside, I like that. I like that. Okay, let's see if that was on our list. This says Coach. This is a Coach signature wristlet. And there is the Coach emblem. Let's see. I know Coach bags have maybe just the purses though, but this is very nice. I like that. So if you don't want to carry everything, you know, around with you, you just put your essentials in here, your driver's license, and maybe, well, my cell phone won't fit in here, but your cell phone, lipstick, maybe a little carry purse size perfume. Cute, very cute. I like that. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is a big one. This is a big one. This is a big purse. Now this I am going to love. Oh goodness, she wraps it up so good I can't get into it. I can't get into it, help me. Okay, I got it. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. If I can get it. This is from Kohl's. Yep, it is from Kohl's. And it is a Dana Buckman, and it says the retail value is $89. That is very nice. It has the size. Look at that print. Is that not the cutest print you've ever seen in your life? And then the other side, there's the print on that side. And then it has a zipper here in the center. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is in, look at that. It has never been used. That is amazing. Look at the size. Oh my. Even the white is crisp and clean and beautiful. It smells brand new. It is absolutely beautiful. I love this. And I can still put it on my shoulder because I am a shoulder girl. Oh, this is beautiful. It matches my shirt today. Matches my shirt today. So there it is. It still has the plastic on it, covering and protecting that. That is beautiful. I like that. Girls, what do you think? You guys got to get this box. I know I'm not the only person out there that loves purses. This is beautiful. Okay, let's check out the last one. You get 3 in these boxes. Uh-oh. Here's the last one, guys. She really, she's got some good taste. I like this. That's really nice. Okay, and it is wrapped. They're very well packaged. Very great care and that she has taken with this. This one feels damp. Oh, oh my goodness, this is a 9 West, and it is, what do they call them? Ones you like do this with, like that? Yeah, like that. Ooh, don't fall, don't fall. Yeah, you wear it to the side like that. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. Oh, and it's got like the little, see it? And then you flip it up. That's cute. That is really cute. I think I may know a certain somebody that likes these purses. And there's the inside there. The green inside. And then green on that side. That is a fun little purse. That is so super cute. I think I may know somebody that might like this and will get good use out of this. That's cute. That is cute. And then it's got the long, so you wear it, I forget how they say it. What are them side things there? That's really cute, guys. That is really cute. You guys, I just love this box. I love getting purses. I am a purse person. I can never have too many purses, because what if I decide to change my purse 3 times a day? I gotta have purses to do it with, right? So it says that this is a 9 West stripe crossbody bag. That's what that's called, crossbody bag. And then the Coach wristlet and the Dana Buckman satchel, new with tags. So there is our list right there. So that is cool. I like this box. You guys like this box? Let me know in the comments if you like this box. And then maybe you could use this as a gift bag to gift one of the purses. Yes, that is great thinking. Although I like the print of this. I might just put this in a frame and hang it on my wall. So, okay guys, well this box is $45 a month, and I want to say with that Dana Buchman bag, new with tags, and it's $89 at Kohl's, that already pays for the box twice. So I think that this is going to be a really good box. So if you decide to go and get this box, which I highly suggest, it is 100% approved by me, you need to, in the checkout section, put my name, Simply Holly, down there in the checkout section. Let her know that I sent you so that you can get on over there and get some purses, because she's gonna, you know, be out there getting some really nice purses. So one more time, here are these 2 bags, the Coach wristlet, which I love, and then we have the 9 West crossbody bag, which is super cute, and it even has that in the middle, and then the 2 zipper pockets. That's awesome. And then the Dana Buchman. Look at this. How this is wonderful. Unbelievable. Come on, guys. Go ahead and check her out. I really feel like she's gonna do really awesome on Cratejoy. I don't mind getting thrifted bags. Matter of fact, they're already broken in. Well, except for this one. They're already broken in, so you don't have to worry about it breaking them in, right? Okay, guys, well, that is it. Don't forget to go over on Cratejoy and check out Thrift-a-Bag, and maybe you can get as awesome a box as I did. Don't forget to tell her I sent you. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up down there to let me know that you've watched it, you love it, and you may be thinking about getting yourself some new purses.